Section 11.5 is on home ownership. First word we have to define is a mortgage. This is the amount that is borrowed to buy some real estate. Okay, it's equal to the selling price minus the down payment. So whatever their selling price is, and then minus however much you put down on it, that's what your mortgage is going to be. That's what you're taking a loan out for. Closing costs. These are the payments that are due at closing. So when you get a mortgage, you don't just get a mortgage and pay interest. You also have to pay the bank to give you a mortgage. The loan origination fee is expressed in points. 1 point is equal to 1% of the mortgage. Okay? So, example 1, section 11.5. The purchase price of a home is $392,000. A down payment of 20% is made. The bank charges $450 in fees plus 2.5 points. Find the total of the down payment and the closing costs. Okay, so the down payment is 20% of $392,000. So I have $78,400. There's my down payment. That's a chunk of change to pay down. From there, you're going to take your mortgage. Okay. You can do this 2 different ways. You can take the $392,000 minus this, or if you want to just do, again, math on your calculator, 20% of this is my down payment, which means that 80% of this is how much my mortgage is going to be for. So I take 80% of the $392,000. So I have to take a loan out for $313,600. Okay. Now, my closing costs. They told me that my closing costs were $450 in fees plus 2.5 points. So I have $450 in fees plus 2.5, 2.5%, 0.025, and it's of your mortgage. So your closing costs are $8,290. And so it says find the total of the down payment and the closing costs. So the total of the down payment and the closing costs is going to be the $78,400 plus the $8,290. Or $86,690. All right, check your progress one. The purchase price of a home is $410,000. A down payment of 25% is made. The bank charges $375 in fees plus 1.75 points. Find the total of the down payment and the closing costs. So I'm going to go through the same process again. My down payment they put a down payment of 25% of the $410,000. And then my mortgage If my down payment is 25%, my mortgage is 75%. And then my closing costs, I have $375 plus they have 1.75 points, so 0.0175 times, and this is where I have to do my mortgage. So now I'm going to go back and do all these calculations. So this is they're going to make a down payment of $102,500, and then their mortgage will be for $307,500. Closing costs, I take the $375 plus 0.0175 times the $307,500. And I get $5,756.25. So then my total, I take my down payment plus my closing costs. And I get $108,256.25.